What's your favorite Nelson Mandela quote?
My favorite Nelson Mandela quote, well, there's actually two. And the first one says, as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. And
your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about you shrinking so that other people do not feel insecure around you. Hey! Goosebumps, boom.
A quote engithanda kakhulu kaBaba Mandela is the one that says, may your choices reflect your hopes and not your fears. Isizathu senza ukuthi ngithande kakhulu is because ubonisa ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi kumele singaphelelwa ithemba. There's always the bigger picture, you know, we always have fears, we always have things. Sihlale sinezaba ukuthi why I cannot do something. But if you have the bigger picture and unomgomo omkhulu that you're looking forward to phambili, ikuphi ithemba, you know. So every choice that you make should reflect ukuthi umuntu onethemba, umuntu ophila unethemba, because there'll always be fears ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Iquote kaMandela resonate nami engi-understandayo engithi njalo mangiyizwa ngiyibona ingishaya ngaphakathi yakhe. I have fought against black domination and I have fought against white domination. Abanye abantu sometimes lento mabayizwa mhlambe bayithatha nje kalula. Mandela in a nutshell bekafuna ilizwe lethu sibe at one as people. Kungabi khona umlungu umuntu omnyama or inini, wonke umuntu athole equal opportunities, justice ifane. Kungabi i-law ezo suppressa lapho suppress lapho or religion or any other thing ekhona.
It is in your hands to make of our world a better one for all.